Go.
I just came back from school, so me and my dad and my sister is sitting right here, but
Honey girl.
me and my dad and my sister were just picking up this guy. What is his name again, Dad?
What's that?
What is his name again, Dad?
What are you talking about?
Like, what is guy's name?
George.
George.
Yeah. So what'd you do at school?
You said Michael.
Yeah. George and Michael.
What birthday is that? We just picked up Michael.
So what'd you do at school?
We just picked up Michael.
Yeah.
He had this little office area, kind of cars,
But
yeah.
let's hear about your day at school. Not what we're doing right now. What'd you do at your school?
My day of school was
How about you, sister? What'd you do at school? I mean, at Kohanga.
with my friend.
Play with your friends.
Yeah, now we're here to play at
Oh boy. Hey, hey, hey.
I made you scream in the video.
All right, we'll see. Tell the people we'll see you later. Ka kite koutou.
That means bye.
Aye.
Bye, Katie.
Aye.